Good evening. Welcome to Options Tender. It is Tuesday after the bell, 4:30. Thanks for joining us here. If you're new, go down to that bottom right-hand corner, hit that Options Tender logo, and subscribe. Don't forget to like the videos. It helps us get those algorithms moving so we can help out other traders. Now, what are we looking at? We're set up here on the weekly. We talked yesterday, and we said we were into weekly demand. Now we came straight down to the bottom of that demand, and I do believe this is the reversal that we're looking for. Not confirmed, but I'll show you why. If you notice this reversal candle here, that's what gives us that demand area. Okay, and that goes all the way down to 47.20. Now, let's go down to the daily. All right, checking out the daily. We have trend is our friend. We right here, that support, that's the same thing we're looking at. Okay, right on the daily, we came up into this chopping area. So you know that very much tells us that you can't pinpoint exactly where it is, even though we were pretty darn accurate on there. Let's go down to it. We held that support there. These supports from the wedges, we're going to end up just taking those off. They do, if we do wick on them on higher time frames, that's fine. That's we'll keep those for the higher time frames, but we don't want those are no longer valid for us right now here on the daily. It's all about the levels. Levels are the most important, but these can be very key as pivots as well. So holding this 37.20 area, I didn't think we were actually going to get down there because of those pivots. Well, we're here. That's all that matters. It's price action. That's a key. Now we have a possible doji candle here, and I'm looking for a reversal off of this. Tomorrow we have FOMC. To me, it's just a catalyst. It's how the market takes it. We read the charts no matter what. It's just when you have a catalyst like that, it doesn't change the outcome, but it will speed it up. So it's going to seem scary at first, but let it ride out. I'm holding on to my longs. I added a couple calls as well. So here we go on the 65-minute chart. Last thing we're going to do, all right, well, second last, we'll go ahead and go to the Elliott Wave this time. But we had this this pivot here. We're going to hold that one on the futures because it fits a little bit more well. We popped below it, but after the sequence here, and we'll look at on the Elliott Wave frame as well, we got down to that 37.20 major support here, and it feels like we count the we got the count towards the end here, and the reason why is because we have an ending diagonal right there. We have 5 waves here as an ending diagonal, and you can't get that within the series. Okay, when you're in a lower what do you call it, in a lower level, when you're doing your counts, you can't have the ending diagonal within your major wave 3. And I'm saying all the wrong words here. So let's go here to the Elliott Wave time frame, and then what we're looking at, bring it out just a little bit. Okay, here's the top. We had a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end that lower degree. 3, 4, 5, 3, and then a expanded flat, or actually a gosh, I'm getting all my words confused though. A running flat. So that's an A, B, C for wave 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for an ending diagonal. So that's going to give us our ending right there. Now we do think we are getting the reversal, and then this will be our stop if we get back under there for some reason. Now, if we get this reversal, how far do we go up? Well, being this is counted for me as a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're really getting tight into these wave counts, I don't think we're going to go super high. I think 50 would be the highest, but I'm not counting it out. I'll start scaling in when we get to probably the 38. I think we're going to close this gap. That's what I'm really looking at. So I'm kind of thinking that we'll get to this 50%. We'll just have to watch price action. And what's going to happen is we'll get some sort of ABC correction here. And so being a wave two, I would imagine it'd be some sort of either zigzag or some sort of sharp move, especially with the catalyst from the FOMC, get some sort of ABC up here. And then we'll see what kind of price action it is. It could be a smaller AB and then a 5-wave move up for a C. So we'll just have to check it out as it goes, watch price action, and just and do our best interpretation. If we think it's really going to end at that 50%, or if it appears that there's more to count inside of that wave, then we'll hold on to it just a little bit more before we really scale into our shorts. But catching a knife, you shouldn't put on full positions anyway. So even if you're down at this 50%, it keeps coming here. You wait for it to start making a more of a structure on its way down before adding on to it. Okay. All right, guys. That's it. That's what I got for you. I think we have our reversal point at 37.20. And I think we'll have some big moves starting tomorrow and to end the week. It's triple quad, so that's why things are pretty crazy looking. Yeah. So have a wonderful day. Hope this helps. Talk to you soon.